Welcome to a world where anyone's imagination can be brought to life. A crossover between the real and the digital is happening right before our eyes. Our online lives are shifting from 2D to 3D. And we're evolving how we play. How we interact with our environment. How we build and engage with people. But most of all, this world allows everyone to create. And since creating is about finding new perspectives, we're asking, what companies will shape the world of 2025? This is Show Us the Money. We're a team of dedicated researchers highlighting the companies we believe will play a defining role in the world of 2025 and hold the potential to deliver strong investment returns. So what are we looking at today? We're going to explore Unity Software, a company that leads the market in interactive real-time 3D and focuses on helping visual creators by giving them a platform to design, run, and then make money from their creations. So, after we dig into the business, we'll ask the question, what could an investment in Unity now be worth in 2025? If you want to see this full documentary, go to our YouTube channel or LinkedIn page. Oh, and while you're there, make sure to subscribe or follow. But most importantly, enjoy our videos.